we were playing trios one time, and then Rishad asked the battle pass, right?
Yeah.
You
Yeah,
guys get more
yeah.
XP, and I got the same XP as Rishad.
Lol.
No, you pay yesterday. Yesterday you didn't have battle pass. What happened to Arhant? He's
We
gone
played trios,
silent.
right?
Yeah, yeah,
So,
yeah. But still, there's not much of a difference then, no?
iconic, where?
Arhant, are you talking?
Yeah,
Arhan,
Okay, everyone.
Arhan, will you teach me how to edit? I've been asking you from so
Ari,
long.
let's go here. I'll tell you why. There's a bunker chest over there.
Where?
I'm gonna steal it.
Oh, there.
I'm gonna be the first one to land.
And
Arhan,
I'm the only one who know where the bunker chest is.
No one cares.
Okay,
will
fine. I'll
follow
go for
you.
the bunker chest.
Arhant, you're just a bot who
No,
learned to
Arhan,
flip.
Arhan,
Yeah,
will you teach me how to edit?
you know how to edit.
I don't have interest to
Oh,
come there.
like
Dude,
faster, like
dude,
you.
Arey,
I
I'm
wanna
not
be like
going
you.
there. Rishit, let's go somewhere else. Rishit, come to me.
Arhan, I wanna be like you. You get a free scar here.
Arey, we don't know where it is, Varun.
You get
I
a
mean,
scar
Rishit.
here.
Okay, I'm coming to you only, guys.
Yeah, I'll give it to you, guys. I'll give it to you only. I won't take the scar.
Arhant,
Okay?
okay, I'm coming. Hi. Already shots.
That's what the guy with the scar.
Oh, you got the scar.
It's so hard. It's so hard to defeat him. I'm escaping.
Dude, where? I hear footsteps.
Yeah, that's the guy with the scar, dude.
Where is he?
He's above.
Oh,
I mean,
he's up
below.
floor.
I just got beamed by him. No, carry me and run away. Carry me and run away. Is there? Carry me and run away. Dude, we're bots. Shit.
I'm so low.
Build.
Don't amass.
Yo, wait. Ari, get out of somewhere.
Just come in. Run away. Break and run away. Break and run away.
Get last please.
No, break this and run away.
Okay, this is.
Quickly.
Ari, give me the star or else. Ari, give me the star.
Run away now.
Oh, no, he's there only.
Go to the helicopter. Go here. Go up there. He can't come.
Ari, give me her. Give me.
I'm dying, dude. I'll give you minis
Okay,
and I'll give you a pod. No,
I'm
I'll
low.
I'll not. Give me.
You want this? You want that?
Give me. Yeah.
Guys,
Shall we get this car now?
Varun, yeah, fine.
Come, we'll go together.
Oh, I want that. I only have a. Oh, thank you for the air. I only had a bow.
Yeah.
Nikita, I have a golden star.
Oh,
We have a purple star here, buddy. Yeah.
oh. Wait, we have to kill him.
Rishit, come with me. Come with me.
Where is he?
He's
Varun.
above. Come.
Oh,
Rishit,
one
come with
second. I
me.
need to build.
Rishit, come with me. Rishit, I can get you a purple pump. Yeah.
Where is
I have a
he?
shockwave bow.
I'm dead.
Do
I'm
you have a
dead.
makeshift shotgun? Do you have a
No,
makeshift
he's here.
shotgun?
He's here behind you.
Nice.
I'm
Ari,
trying
go
to
with
see.
NPC.
Oh, help.
Ari, come with me.
Yeah.
Ari, follow me.
Take it.
Yes!
Hello?
Yes! I got a
Happy?
purple scar, no!
Lol.
Oh,
Noobs. I need a purple pump, anyone?
yeah, Varun, someone want to donate Varun a purple pump.
I have a shockwave bow.
Oh, there's players there. Players there.
I have a shockwave bow. Wait,
There's players there.
Ari, go near the
Okay.
NPC.
Come in.
Why is my marker pea color?
Where?
Upgrade your
Faster.
shotgun. Upgrade your
I
shotgun.
saw some fresh builds, like someone just built there.
Now take the challenges.
Someone just built over
And
there.
do the crafting thing and stuff.
Right there, like there. I saw it was a new build. Ah,
Yo, come here.
but we need meds
Ari,
also.
take all of
We're
this.
low.
Rishit, come here.
Varun, we both are low.
Take all of these.
Oh, wait, take that.
Monster truck wheels. These are. Hey, we guys, we have monster truck
Take all of
wheels.
these.
Players here.
Oh, players there. It's just, I'm so dead. I'm on
Oh, did you
17
make it to
HP.
blue? Rishit. Did you make the shotgun to blue?
Help.
Nice,
Wait,
nice,
Nikki.
Yeah.
I'm
yeah.
on 17 HP.
Adi, how many mechanical parts do you have? Yeah.
No, I'm dead.
It's a
Varun.
shocker sweat.
Yeah,
It's a
I
shocker
know.
sweat, guys.
I
Come.
know that. I'm dead. He got the purple scar.
Guys,
No,
come.
no, he has a purple pump also.
Adi, Rishit also has purple pump.
No, this guy's a soccer skin. Not
Come
a boring
quickly,
old
Arhan.
Not a boring old Rishit skin.
Rishit, if someone kills us, no?
Arhan, can you be useful?
I'm dead.
I'm dead too. We both. I even lost. Yeah, our reboot cards are gone. These people landed very far from us.
I told him.
It's we can go, right?
Mine is gone. Mine only has 50 seconds left. Mine is gone.
Adi,
Yeah, kid. I'm gonna leave the match after this.
Collect Nikit.
Yeah, then what? You'll collect Varun's first. Dude, Rishit is such an idiot. You got stuck in a tree.
I saw that.
Are you?
I only have 30 seconds left.
I have 50 seconds left.
It's
Oh,
okay,
wait, they
first
can
go
get
near
it.
Nikit.
Rishit, you can get it.
25, 24, 23, 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 15, 14.
It's okay, I'll get it. I'll get one.
Rishit, where are you going?
No, go fast.
No! Mine is gone. No! Varun, 3, 2, 1, go! Yes! Yes! Why you went that way? You went the long way.
Let's go, come, let's go.
No, reboot us for. Reboot us for.
Oh, that was so intense.
I guess they're enemies here. No, they're not. They're not.
There's a
Reboot
shocker
us.
sweat
Hey,
here.
yeah, there was a soccer sweat. He's a pull-on.
Why are you
Don't reboot here. Don't reboot
We
here.
won't make it if you remove it.
Arhan,
I
don't
know.
reboot.
Adi, that's my brother, Mohit. Agu.
Yes, go.
There was a shockwave bow, by the way.
But the soccer skin obviously took it. Dude, no, Arhan. Rishit, you have to share like bandit. You have to collect Arhan's reboot card also. Oh. Arhan, why are you killing that now?
Adi, I'll get heals, Ray.
Yeah, he'll get meat.
So, you get health.
I'll get 30 HP.
Yeah, you guys are. Rishit will make it. Okay,
This is more like Arahan, not aiming with and shooting.
Arhan, go fast.
Not building at all.
Adi, rat.
That's a raptor there.
Arhan, you're dead.
Oh,
Yes, take the meat first.
ah,
Yeah. Rishit has bandies.
Arahan is dead, I think.
Adi, search for
Why
Vega
did you
also.
guys jump all the way there?
Yeah.
I'm searching for
Arhan
Vega.
was
Because
dead.
me and Nikki, we would have made it.
Yeah, but the stupid soccer skin comes.
Yeah.
That might be, no? You guys are not making it. Arhan won't make it. He doesn't have heals.
Yeah, I'm spectating him. Arahan, go quickly.
Yeah, it's very far. No, you're
It's
close.
hard.
You're close. You're close. You're close to them. Rishit, you're close.
Do it again, use again.
Rishit, you seriously have to do a car swap now. You don't.
That
Arhan's
is
not
my
gonna make
brother.
it.
Why you always tell that to me?
Arhan's not gonna make it.
ఎక్కడికి యుఎస్
Arahan's gonna make it.
Arhan's dead.
Rishit's gonna make it.
Rishit,
go,
don't take
go,
Arhan.
go,
Don't
go.
Rishit, go.
నాకు
You're dead.
God move by Rishit. Hey, did you see that lightning?
Dead. Nine.
Ooh.
8.
Ooh.
See?
Don't.
The clutches. The clutches.
You barely made it.
Clutches. The clutch.
Arey, revive fast. We need to go fast.
The clutches. The clutches.
Yeah.
You guys have to go fast again. The zone
No,
so
no, no.
far.
They have water. They have water. It leads into
From this
zone.
time.
Yeah.
Arey, no, that's Arey, come. We have to start
Swim.
moving.
Go water.
Swim.
Go water. Go water, dude. Arhan, go by water.
Chip.
నేను ఎక్కడ ఏం
Arhan, go by
చేయలేదు
water. You can make it.
Oh, dude. Arham. Oh my god, you guys. Hey, Rishabh, knock yourself. So you get 30 HP.
You're
My
such a...
fruits. I'm such a god now, I know. Knock yourself, Rishabh. Go a little higher, knock yourself.
అరే
Why do you mess, idiot?
No, there's a
Go
player
water.
there. There's a
Arey,
player
Go
there.
from water.
Arham, just swim away.
That was the guy who killed us.
Yeah, that's the same guy.
అరే
That's the same guy.
Arhan, do your cranking, Ray. What you doing?
That's the same guy.
Creative
Hey, wait, he's playing squad fields. No, he's playing like solo squads. He's solo squadding.
అరే నేను
Run! Rishabh, run! Run!
Arey, clearly Mohit was playing all that time. Clearly Mohit was playing all that time.
I know.
Arahant, you're so bad, Ray. Arahant was playing, Mohit was playing all this time.
అరే
Arham, ready up. No one cares
I
your
did
speech.
it. Don't. Is blind or what?
We can't see it. You just did when you're like, I did.
You're literally blind.
Okay, what
Did
do
he
you
show you actually, Nikki?
What? He
Did he
showed me. He showed him playing arena. That's all.
What,
should finish it
Arahant?
up.
You've been trolling and lying with us. Why didn't you land with us?
Yeah, Arham. What's so good about the bunker test?
You
It
get
gives
good
you
weapons.
some good loot. Yeah, that's it.
Fine, let's
Okay,
go.
We're like,
Let's go somewhere else.
Let's all land together. Let's all land together. Anywhere but land together. Everyone.
Sweaty.
No, sweaty sand.
Sweaty sands.
ఓకే చూడు బ్లాంక్ వస్తుంది ప్రతిసారి
Arham, how are you doing? How are you doing today? Arham, how are you doing today? Arham, how are you doing? Arham, how are you doing?
Listen.
No one cares, Arham.
That
I'm just
super
kidding.
sweat is X2 Jordan.
What?
X2 twins, Jordan.
How do you know that? Why are they playing
Watch
in
it,
Middle
they're
East?
live streaming.
Why are they playing in Middle East?
I don't know, but they're live streaming. You see.
Why are they playing in Middle East?
అరే
How will
they
I-
will not come with us because we are playing PUBG. They'll not
Yeah.
come with us.
I got red-handed. I got caught red-handed.
Warren tries to lie, but he's so bad at it.
If we try arena, they might come. If
Yeah.
they change the region.
Yeah. PUBG is impossible. The clutch that you made today.
Arhant.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we.
Arhant, I'm sorry.
It was Arhant and you, by the way.
I feel bad for Arhant because I shouted at him last time.
Yeah, like his face is so innocent, right?
Yeah.
But in real life, damn, right?
Dude, Warren, you came into the same house as me.
I have a blue weapon.
This house is mine. Don't come
I
here.
got a new skin,
Oh my
Yeah.
god, what skin?
Raven.
ఇదా
Yeah. 77. I'm in 77. I get a 77. Oh, big pot. I'll be yanking that quick, bro.
లేదు
Arahant.
ఏం లేదు ఇక్కడ యా
Arahant, hello. Can you hear me?
వెయిట్
Cool.
ఐ ఫౌండ్ బంకర్ చెస్ట్
Nice.
How? Arhant planned this before not telling us.
Yeah.
అరే మై బ్రదర్ టోల్డ్ మీ దేర్ వాస్ అ బంకర్ చెస్ట్ హియర్
Arhant plans everything.
Mohit, once give it to Mohit. Once give it to Mohit.
Mohit come yo do you have minis guys
Oh yes, minis.
Hello,
Yes, what do you
Mohit.
want?
It was you playing all that time, right?
Nope, it was my brother playing.
No. Then why didn't he do the cranking shit when that soccer sweat was in front of him?
Oh, Varun
Players,
swearing.
players. I'm running.
Oh, players. Here,
I'm marked.
next to
200
me.
meters from me.
23, 25. He doesn't have a weapon.
Yeah, same here.
Then kill him
No,
then.
this guy's good.
Killed one.
He's good.
What is good?
It's running away, I should say.
Lol.
I'm literally looting every house for minis.
Knocked another.
I knocked one guy.
Finished.
Yeah.
Hey, I shaked one guy down. You can see players.
Okay. Ari, fight the
Where?
NPC. Ari, kill the NPC. You'll get a star.
Where is he?
First enemy. Ari, she'll be somewhere over there or something. Go near the blue marker. There'll be an NPC. Take the challenge to get the bubble scar, and you have to kill her. That's it.
Arhan, come here.
First, talk to the NPC and take the challenge.
Arhan, take those.
Oh yeah, thanks.
Shockwaves would be helpful. Lord.
The blue marker.
What do you
the blue
mean
marker.
mark me near the NPC? Mark me near the NPC.
Oh,
Wow.
this guy died now.
Yeah, the purple one.
Oh,
Ari,
Arhan, come here.
follow me.
Arhan,
I'll
here.
take-
No, Arhan, here. Take this.
What? I'm full health. Anyways, I'll take that.
Arhan, take that.
Yeah.
Oh, someone. Wondrous versus Shade. So you got the NPC?
Arey, जल्दी नहीं आ रही है तो फोन
Arhan, drink that. How? Oh, you have. Give Rishit.
Arey, let's go to the NPC.
Where? No, Varun
What
killed it.
shotgun?
Varun killed it.
He killed it. I yoinked it.
Arey, did you take the challenges first? Before
Yeah.
killing the NPC.
Fine, give me my thing back.
Take
My,
that.
yeah.
We
Yeah.
need it.
Oh, yeah.
Primal.
Wait. Arhan,
my
I don't have a
shooting, don't
slot.
waste your
Oh,
ammo.
wait, I got.
Guys, look what I just found. This is my car. Rishit.
Wait, Varun, I'll make it better. Oh, shoot. That already has monster truck wheels. I have
That's
monster
fine.
truck wheels. Guys, Arhan, I have monster
Get
truck
in.
wheels.
Everyone
Let's get
get
a
in.
car. There's only 2 seats.
Ekadum
There's
hai.
only 2 seats. Arhan, come here. Get the car.
Wait.
Wait.
I'm so
I have
mad
monster
at
truck
them.
wheels. There's a monster truck car there.
What am I doing? No, get
Arhan,
out.
there's
I
a
get
monster
this
truck
car.
car. Arhan,
Arey,
Oh,
wait for me.
did you guys get this car?
Wait,
Yeah.
yeah, Varun.
Yeah.
No, I gave it.
Get in.
Yeah. Now go to a supercar. Get the supercar. I'll keep monster truck wheels.
Where is the supercar?
It'll be in that side of the map in the parking lot.
Where are you guys?
No, not here. More next parking lot. Arhan, go fast. Not this
Going.
way. Left. Yeah, there, behind you.
Yeah, I'm going.
What's taking so long, huh?
Acha, yeah.
Where is it? It just okay, it disappeared. Wait. How do you keep this on?
Does anyone
You have
have
to
a
get into the
gas
car,
can?
then click the car key. I mean, then click.
I did it. Go.
I flipping need a gas can.
We have offer. Arhan, we need gas too. We need gas.
The matter.
Yeah, pick me up, Pimple.
Arhan.
Yeah.
Okay, Arhan, just go. Arhan.
Arey, why did you keep these tires with us?
Someone pick me up now.
Arhan,
Uncomfortable.
without the tires, we will go up there, huh?
Yeah, if you keep.
Han? Yeah, just this is.
Yeah, right?
Me and Arhan are going so far. Dude, we already have monster truck tires. This is fun.
Guys, play it
Oh,
on
there's
me.
shots. There's players. I hear.
Help.
Arhan, go to Varun. Arhan, no, fill gas. Go to the gas station.
వస్తున్నావా?
Arhan, go to the gas station. Yeah. Arhan, wait here. I'll get gas. Come here. Gas station. Come to gas station, Arhan.
Nikit, I'm going after this man, okay?
Okay, come to gas station.
Help!
Where's the gas station?
It's
Wait,
there,
gas-
right there. Are there?
I don't-
Who is building?
That's a Rishit, I guess. Oh, there's someone in. Someone's there.
Help! Help!
Someone's there.
Come, let's go, Nick. Nikit, please help.
Gas station.
Are come back. Come, let's.
There's someone. No, see. Oh no, I'm solo. I got beamed.
I'm also low, not only you.
We were. You were the one.
Dude, I hate this. What do you mean?
Oh,
You
there's
started cramming on me.
player. Oh, there's player in the car.
Medkit.
Oh, I'm dead. This stupid. Dude, the stupid car guy.
I killed him.
This is so clutch.
No, this car guy.
I'll take
Dude,
Rishit's card.
Dude, Arhan, I need medkit. I need.
Yeah,
Varun, we can try helping you.
yeah, take that.
Varun can come.
Got them both.
Arhan, minis. Give me.
I need the minis. I need the minis. Pedamma.
Where's my shorty? Where's my mom? Yeah.
This is so bad.
Yeah. I'll reboot you. I beamed him so bad. What is that? Yeah.
Yeah, chill. Varun.
Chill.
No, someone shot me. Someone shoot me.
That's
me,
Varun,
that's me.
Varun.
Oh,
I shot you.
Pedamma. Okay, Nikit, I have to go.
Varun, you have ammo. Shorty shells. Varun, you have shorty shells. Oh, we have to go. We have to go. Look at the zone.
Oh yeah, we can't reboot you not today.
Arhan, come fast. Arhan's AFK.
No, it won't be possible.
Guys, Arhan's AFK.
Oh sure, this is bad, Nikki.
We lost. Someone. Arhan, can you come?
I'll reboot him. Someone got rebooted just now.
Where? I'll protect you while rebooting.
No. There's players there. We can't reboot you today.
Yeah.
I mean, like now. We'll go
Dude,
to
what is
zone.
your big
We'll go to
problem?
zone.
We can reboot you anywhere. You have
There's
infinite
3 more
time.
spots in the zone. Don't worry, chill out.
Yeah, there's
That's
3 spots.
That's only for you.
Oh, there's a boat. Ice boat. Yeah, there's a truck there.
Yeah, but
there's-
just run
there's-
zone.
There's even a player there.
ये मैच IPA का. ये मैच IPA का.
No! I'm dead. Bye, Varun. You have to go on without me. Varun, you have to go. There's 4 people. Varun, go. Lost. Go.
I'm going lost. I'm
Yeah,
getting
go.
lost.
Go get lost fast.
This is so bad.
I want XP. That's why I'm staying.
I'm holding them in zone, dude.
Just go. Varun, just go. Don't fight. You're not gonna get them. There's so many of them. There's 2 more in the background. Varun, what is that?
Bye, guys. Have to leave. Bye.
I'm going. But even I have to leave. I want the XP.
Same here. I'm returning to lobby so that I get the skin, and then yeah, I'll leave.
How much XP? Only 21,000 XP. Seriously. Okay. Bye, guys.
Bye, Nikki. Bye,
Bye.
Rishit. Bye.
1 second. So awkward that no one's going. Who can? Okay, fine. Bye.
So guys, that's it for today. Bye.